Welcome to my fish tank. Right now we're looking at albino Oscar along with his friend over here, red Oscar. It's a red Oscar. I bought these two guys from Walmart. And they were babies. It's been about 4 months now, and look how big they got. This little guy in the background here, that's blue Wami. Surprisingly, I don't know how in the world he survived in the tank with these dudes, but they just ignore him. He just became like their little buddy or something. They don't mess with him, he don't mess with them. I just bought these two red parrots today. It's a cute little fellow, along with this red tiger Oscar over here. He is so pretty. He got a pretty color on him. I love him. Look at the other one just coming into the camera view. He just like the camera. There ain't no one that being videotaped. These fish are very personable. Very personable. Each got a personality on their own. They're very friendly fish. Very intelligent. I even got a golden plico up on this rock. He liked this rock since I bought this rock. That's been his hangout spot ever since. It's pretty cool. This is my tank for now. Thinking about adding a couple more guys in there. Not really sure what kind of species of fish yet, but over time we'll see more guys in there. Probably in a bigger tank though.